Okay, ladies and gentlemen, trade breakdown last week. We have three trades. First of all, we do have NZD So NZD um, what we see on the previews last week is this bullish in golfing candle. So we all know that market market structure is market structure is bearish. So we do have a lower high, lower low. I know that the fact that this bullish engulfing in the weekly time frame is the pullback of the daily time frame. So I was anticipating that on the daily candlestick, this one will be a pullback. At the same time, we could see some rejection on it. So on the daily time frame, this is the pullback of the weekly, which is the bullish candle. So I was like, oh, okay, I see some rejection, which is 1 day, 2 day, 3 days. Okay, cool. I know this rejection will represent as change of structure on the 4 hour time frame, which will be the bearish momentum. All right. So this is the lower high right here. We have the retracement, then that retracement forming the um, head and shoulder pattern. We do have a break right here. We got a pullback right there. We're up below the 4 hour EMA. At the same time, this weekly wick candle will be the pullback of the 1 hour time frame, right? So I saw this. I was putting a line. We have a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. We got a break. We have a break here, right here. But I was like, okay, it's Monday, right? I don't, I never trade on Monday 6 a.m. because, um, on Monday I was like so busy. Then I'll wait on a trade on Monday, no, Tuesday London session. So stop loss above right here. I'll wait for this bearish engulfing. Boom. I exited right here, which is 255. If I continue holding it, we could be around 6 risk reward, which is not ideal one. I wanna continue the whole trade. But yeah, it continues setting and forgetting. Alright, that's gonna be a breakdown of Nzdchf, which is an A plus setup. I have another one, USD So USD what I see on the 4 hour time frame, no, weekly time frame is we have lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. I was selling on the bottom of the weekly lower low, but when I see it on the daily time frame is bearish as well. Lower high, lower low. We're at the market structure. So I was like, okay, I saw this perfect market structure move. So I saw this bearish engulfing, right? So I was like, okay, if the 4 hour will give me my entry signal, I will take this trade. I will really take it. So right. So I was anticipating that this is a little pullback. Boom. got break and then retest. I was like, okay, you give me my entry signal, right? We have okay, lower low, lower high, break of structure, higher high, break of structure, low low, lower high. Okay, so I was like, if you give me a signal on 1 hour time frame, if you give me like a bearish engulfing, because this one right here is already been a lower high, shift of structure, lower high. Oh, like, okay, cool, cool. So I was like, yeah, um we have higher high, break. I have 1 2 3 engulfing around London session. So I enter at the bearish movement. So I close it right here on bottom. If I continue dominating, it could be 4RR. It's alright. Perfect trade. USD up. But if I continue holding it, could be 6RR, but it's alright. I'm okay. 2RR will be good. Nzdusd. Nzdusd. So Nzdusd. Alright, so actually, again, I thought this one will be continuing to weekly pullback to go up, but because we have weekly is them, I broke my trading plan right here. So right here we're buying at the bottom of the strong weekly area of interest, daily bearish. 4 hour we have higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So I enter right here on the shift of structure, but on the shift, right? So shift structure, we get a bullish engulfing. I enter right here on the London, but when I see this, I was like, damn, we are having a hard time to continue. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna exit, because the thing is, since we do have fundamental news, so I like, okay, I'm not gonna gamble. I do have 2 pairs already been played out, so I close it with profits. So Nzdusd, so another almost 1 to 9. I close it with profit, so we're all good. Okay. Alright, yeah, so I do have one missing trade as well. I have Gbpnzd. So Gbpnzd, I was like anticipating that this pair will be play out, because weekly is bullish, daily is having a retracement. I saw this rejection. I'm anticipating that this one will be continuation, but this one doesn't have a week daily week pullback. 4 hour. So 4 hour, I was waiting on this. We got break and retest. So I do have one right here entry, one right here entry. So I really missed this trade right here. So this one here, you could enter here. I could enter right here as well. Let me see here. You can enter here at 5 or 6. Stop loss like below right here. Then you could enter as well right here. Miss trade, which is normal, could be let's say 3 to 4 RR. Yeah, I mean, that's it. Pretty nice weekly week profits. And again, I'm looking forward to flip my $100 to 3,000, which is I'm gonna buy an iPhone, which is this is challenge account. Yeah, set and forget.